I'm Teresa. Thanks for watching our video. Today we're going to talk about my makes, new arrivals, and the upcoming Monday Markdown and some classes. My makes, I don't have anything new to show you today. In the last video I talked about how I was going to visit my daughter and I wondered if she would want it. Turns out she did. I want to say within half an hour of her seeing it, she was like, "So Mom, could I have that?" Which makes me feel great, you know, something I made, she wants it, awesome. So I did give it to her, she wore it, and then a couple days in, I said, "Hey, I'm gonna make a new one in the same exact yarns. Do you want it in, is this the yarn you love it in, or should we pick something new for you?" So we ended up picking a new yarn for her. So I did get my cowl back, and I'm gonna wash it because she had the cold that I now have. So gotta wash it first before I wear it again. But I did get it back, so yay! But I have another one to make now. And I was hoping Carrie would show some pictures of her jeans she's working on, but maybe when they're done. Maybe when they're done, we'll get to see them. Okay, so Monday Markdowns, that's something we started doing the beginning of the year. So the Monday Markdown is going to be the graphic jam. So we have the kit with all of these great fabrics in it, really fun, bright fabrics. This is designed by Sassafras Lane, and you can do it with a light background, which is what we kitted, or you can also do it in a black or a dark background, which is not what we kitted, but I bet we have the fabric if you wanted to swap it out. Or if you just want some fun fabrics, we've got it in here now. This kit now includes the pattern, and we're going to be marking it down 35%. So keep your eyes open. I believe there's an email that goes out about it, and it's only online because we're closed on Mondays. So this coming Monday, which is January 27th, this will be on sale 35% off just that day. All right, and then of course we always have new stuff coming in, so I've got a few things to show you. The first new thing I have to show you is the Kaffe coloring of the Morris & Company fabrics, and here is one of them. We did not get the whole line, but we got a few of them, and this one is called Wandel in red. This is also Wandel in colorway Contrast. Some really fun colors used in that. I like this one too. This one is called Indian in colorway Opera. I like the kind of pastel Indian look that has going on. Pretty. And I don't know how many of those we got, but I know we got a few, and that was a little sampling of that. And then the Tim Holtz Orange collection. That one, as you know, club members get first dibs at that for about a week or so. But as of today, now it is available to the public. So here is the mushroom fabric. And then the banner will be updated so that you can find this easily. If you go to our website, check the banners, and this will be up on the banner. So you can just click on it and go right to the fabrics. And then here's a fabric by Carolyn Gavin, cute little butterflies. And then the links to all these things will be down below the video as well. And we got some new stuff in by Rachel Hauer, who, as you probably know, is Tula's tattoo artist, and now also a fabric designer. This collection is called Garden Bed. This is rabbits in turquoise. Rabbits in turquoise. And this one is called Snail Stripe, also in turquoise. And then here we have Catnap in mint. Look at the little moths in there. That's so cute. I love that one. And Fireflies, also in turquoise. I think this is not something I would have called turquoise, but it wasn't up to me. Okay, so that was some new stuff. We did just have a restock on the Tilly and the Buttons patterns, and that just arrived. This is one I don't believe we carried before, but apparently it's been very popular. It's a pencil or a mini skirt, and it's Ramona. And then on the back here shows some more information, different lengths and stuff. And then the Lotta dress. Whoops. You've made this? Oh, Carrie has made one. So there might be a picture going right over my face right now. And then the Marnie blouse or mini dress. And then the Stevie, we had to restock this one because we had a class. Leslie taught a class on the Stevie. It filled up pretty quickly, and then we had that big snowstorm, and so there is going to be another one scheduled. I don't believe we have a date for it yet, but we're working on that. So we did get our restock on the patterns, and we'll have another class. Yay! And then Drew also, I believe this was very popular, and we had to restock this sweatshirt. I believe this was one of their newest designs, and probably a lot of people didn't have it yet, so that one sold out as well. So, Tilly and the Buttons just got a restock, and there's more than just this. Okay, so next I'm going to talk about some classes we have coming up. The embossed towel class is coming up on January 30th in the evening, 5:30. And what's really fun about the embossed designs is you have, part of the like the terry cloth on this kind of coming through, and the part of the design kind of knocks down the terry. And embossed designs are really fun. I think my mom was the first person I heard about them from. And then I couldn't stop. You guys have probably seen some of the ones that I've made, like the Halloween cat and the Nice and the Naughty Christmas ones. So, and this design is actually, Heather designed this, and there are two designs. If you go to the class listing, it shows you will, in the class included, you'll get the designs that she designed. Some people who are in the software classes might be designing their own designs, and we should have a collection coming out at some point too, where you can just buy our designs. So that's all in the works, but in the class you'll get this one, the cutie pie, and then I think the other one she made so far, it says As You Wish, if anybody's a Princess Bride fan. So that's included in the cost of the class, so that is coming up. And we did put another garment pattern alterations class on the schedule because the last one that's still coming up sold out right away. So April 5th at 10:30 is another session of this class. So this is the ruler that you'll need for the class. We did get these in a little while ago. So we have these, and then the Woodley tee is the pattern. We have this both in the women's and the men's version. This one is the men's version. So lots of different options on there. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be a fun class. So there's no sewing in that class. It's all about taking your measurements and transferring them onto the pattern and then altering the pattern to fit you before you even cut your fabric. So I'm excited about that one. I think that's everything. Sorry about the cold going on here, but thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You should find everything that we talked about today linked below, and we will see you next week. And then is next week the live one, or is that one more week?
Shelly's back.
Yay! Okay, so next week is our live video, and Shelly will be back. So we'll see you guys then. Thank you.